Put simply, 61 Leslie Street is a charming, spacious post-war home on a large 933 square metre lot in beautiful Bardon. The interior sweeps across one level. It's really conducive to family life. The bedrooms are well sized and there's informal and formal living spaces. What I love most is there's 2 timber decks that overlook the beautiful yard. Whilst this property offers comfortable living as is, what really sets it apart is what it could be. This land size and property offers intriguing possibilities to renovate or rebuild. The home also sits in Ithaca Creek State Catchment and Kelvin Grove State College Catchment. Plus there's bike paths and parks close by.